all, I hope you all are fine. I'm doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial. Let's get started. Here you have to just take the crisscross hair in this manner and get a pin attached. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding and then tangle your hair in this manner, roll them together in this way and get them beautifully secured in this manner and get these clutches secured enough. Keep on proceeding in this manner. Now what are we going to do? You have to just get the hairs rolled, keep them in this position and then you need to secure them enough in this manner. Keep on rolling them and then you will be getting a beautiful and lovely clutch like this. Isn't it cool enough? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we going to do. You have to get the hair and then keep on making these in this manner and then get a rubber band. You have to secure them in this way and get them beautifully made in this manner. Isn't it cool enough? Keep on proceeding. Now let's find out what are we going to do. Here you have to just make the rolls like this further and then arrange them together in this manner and get the pins and clutches attached. Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we going to do? You have to just get it secured and make a lovely pattern in the middle. Further you need to get the buns made and this is gonna look damn pretty. Proceeding as per the video now, what are we gonna do here? You have to just get these hairs, roll them up in this manner and you have to secure them beautifully in this way and get the pins attached. Here what are we going to do? Get a stick and then you need to roll them one over the other, get the crisscross position and then you are gonna roll them ahead. Proceeding, now let's see here, get the split in the hair and now you are gonna make the braids, the two braids here and then secure them, roll them together and then pin them up beautifully in this way. Further here again you are gonna split the hair, roll them together, twist them in this way and then get a braid made. Further you need to roll them up and then pin them up in this position. Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we gonna do? You have to just get the hair and then roll them together, get it beautifully attached in this manner. Cool enough, isn't it? These braids and then the buns are gonna look super beautiful. Here you need to get the rolls and then securing them beautifully in this way to get these lovely patterns made. Isn't it cool enough? Now here again you need to get the split and then secure and roll your hair. Further get a beautiful heart shape pattern in the middle and you will be getting a beautiful and lovely look. Get the two braids made and you need to secure them together in this manner. I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our lovely and unique hairstyles and you're gonna apply them in your day-to-day life. Till then, take care. Thank you.